Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi 4 WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we kind of stacked these little modules together overlapping and used a bit of negative margin to sort of offset them. What we're going to do today is we're going to create effect so that when you hover over one of these it'll automatically pull it in front of the other ones. So let's enable the visual builder. That'll enable us to build on the front end. When it's loaded, let's go down to where we want to work. And this is really easy. Divi makes this so easy. If you want to take Divi for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. So let's start with this first module here. When we initially did this, we set it as this middle module on top. And we did that using the Z index. To advanced, visibility, down the bottom, the Z index. So we know that this one's got a Z index of 22. To make another module stand out on top of it, we've got to give that module a Z index that is higher than 22. So let's go into this one, and remember I only want this to happen when we're hovering on it. Go to the advanced tab, down to visibility, all the way down, Z index. So if I put this on 25, it should pop it in front, but I only want it to do it when it's hovering. If we go up to Z index right there, hover over it, just hit the little arrow that appears, and hover mode, I'm going to give that, I'll say 30 because that's higher than 22. And as you can see, it's popped it over the top. Desktop mode or non-hover mode, it's going to pop it behind. Just need to do that same thing for the bottom one. Don't need to do anything for the middle one because it's going to be on top whenever you're not hovering over the other two. So let's go into the bottom one. And we'll do exactly the same thing there, advanced. Visibility, and again we can give it 25 or 30 or 35, doesn't matter as long as it's higher than 22. And as you can see, that's popped that one on top there, but got to remember, put that back to 0. I only want this on hover, so if I go over here to the little arrow, there we go, just on hover. Alright, let's save what we've done, and now we've got a nice little sort of hover effect going on. Let's exit our visual builder. Go on down. Now when we get down here, when I hover over these various things, I'll just let them load. Top one pops on top. Don't need to do anything to this one because it's automatically on top. Hover over the bottom one, and the bottom one pops on top. So there you have it. That's how to bring modules to the front with a hover effect. Really easy, simple to do with a Divi theme. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.